Jeff Flock joins us from the factory floor in Pittsburgh. Has the production there ramped up because of the tariffs on China?
They're already making batteries as fast as they can, Stuart. This is the battery packs that you see right here. And yeah, can you believe it? They brought it back from China. The company started in China, and now it's here in the U.S. Joe Mastrangelo is the CEO walking the floor with you this morning. What the heck were you thinking bringing something from China? Wasn't it cheaper there?
Actually, when we decided to do this, we found a lot of partners and a lot of suppliers around the Rust Belt that bought into the vision and said, let's make something that's globally competitive.
You make 90% of these batteries with U.S. components.
Yes, we do. 91% of our raw materials come from the U.S.
Explain to Stuart what I'm seeing here. These are battery components. Each one is an individual battery, but then what is it, 672?
672 batteries go inside of a cube. The cubes go out to the suppliers, and that's what our customers want as an energy storage system.
I was going to say, their customer store, we talk about solar and wind, what happens when it's not, sunny or the wind's not blowing. Well, you can store the energy when it is and then use it when you need it, right?
Yeah, look, any electron that comes from any power generating source goes inside, and we put it back on when there's demand, back on the grid.
It's not just wind and solar. Hey, Frank, spin around there. Maybe you see all of this. They're just testing one of these units now. So who's your customer?
So these ones here are going to Texas to actually go to a wind farm in Texas. So we're doing final testing to make sure what goes out into the field works the way the customer wants.